What's going on, y'all? Hey man, I'm finna do a test on the Ultracool. Hey, y'all know I'm rocking the Ultracool, so you know that Ultracool keeps your bike 60 degrees cooler. I had a flow oil filter which keeps your bike 10 degrees cool. And it is hot here in Texas. And what I'm finna do, I'm gonna throw this jumper in right here. Let me go and put it in. And with that jumper being plugged in right here, I unplugged it from the main thing so when it turns on automatically. So I'm gonna let you see that this will come on. You hear the flow oil filter? You hear the fan? So it is coming on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the temperature. The bike hasn't been started at all today, so I'm finna take the temperature of the motor and I'm gonna go ride. And I'm gonna do the same distance there, the same distance back. And when I get over to my next stop, I'm gonna pull out the jumper and run it with no jumper, without the fan cutting on at all. So you'll see how hot it's gonna be. But now I'm finna let you see how cool it's gonna keep it. And then when I get back, I'm gonna gun it again and see how hot that baby really is. Because this Ultracool will definitely help you in this summer heat, y'all. So let's take the temperature and I'm gonna jump on the bike and we're gonna get out of here. So get close up on here. So right now, the bike is reading 91. You can see the red dot right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's a red dot right there. And it's reading 90 right now, pretty much 91. So what I'm gonna do, I'm finna go jump on the bike and we're gonna get some yonder and get some yonder, boy, that's old school. And we're gonna ride and we're gonna come back and we're gonna check this temperature again. But I'm gonna check the temperature when I get over there too as well. So we'll see how cool the Ultracool kept this bike. So let's do this test. And man, I'm telling you, and you get a 10% discount. If you like what you see, just go to ultracoolfl.com and check out the website. I will put a link down in the description and you can go down and click the link. It'll take you right to the website. And make sure you click the subscribe button for your boy as well. The channel is growing. It's like 75 people watching, but only 35 subscribed. So 75% people are watching, but they're not subscribing. So man, y'all make sure y'all click the subscribe button. So cause me, I support whoever. So let's get this test done. And put this in here. We're gonna jump on the bike and we're gonna head somewhere and ride and see how hot this bike gonna get. But we really gonna see how cool it's gonna stay right now because we got the Ultracool cutting right on as I crank the bike up. And when I get over there, I'm gonna pull the jumper out and we're gonna come back to the house. We're gonna see how hot that boy is. Let's get to it. What's up, y'all? Man, I got on one of my favorite roads, but I cannot ride fast at all, dude. I didn't know they was doing construction over here. It's a bunch of loose gravel, so I'm just gonna kind of take it easy right here till I get off this road. It's a little road down here that I'm gonna turn on. I gotta get off of here, man. I see a lot of loose gravel. And like I say, I didn't know they was doing this road. This is one of the roads that I ride all the time, because it's such a nice curvy road back here. But man, I can't do nothing on this road. Oh no sir, I'm just trying to get off of here. I saw it, the turn, but I didn't see the sign. They had the sign on up, so I didn't see the sign till I done got deep off in here and saying loose gravel and it, you know, construction. I'm like, oh no. So your boys are gonna take it easy on this right here. And man, we finna get off this road. There's no way. I keep seeing signs all the way down there. Y'all can kind of see the road. I guess you can see it. Look at it. Kind of look like tar and crap too. Oh man, that's the last thing I want to see, bro. Oh crap. Hope I can get tar on my wheel. I'm just gonna kind of take it easy through here since there's no loose gravel here and get on a better road. Oh shoot. They done messed up my good road, man, but they fixing it. But right now it's messed up to me. But even though they done laid some new gravel and all that and pavement, whatever you want to call it, it ain't fully done. You can see a bunch of loose gravel, so I'm not, it'll be a while before I get on this road and rip it. So, but I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get off behind this dump truck. Look like he got rock and gravel in his truck too. Oh man, it's just one of them days, man. So, but yeah, I just really want to show you about the Ultracool. Like I say, you can use my discount code. I will put a link down in the description and everything so you can see. And my boy Jack from Black Go Harley Davidson just bought his and got the flow oil filter as well. I appreciate you, Jack, man, going over there checking out JJ and Ultracool. So man, hey, it's the code will be working. JJ said I got a whole year with that code. So it's just lowercase K-E-L-L-Y with the B on the end. Don't separate it. It's all one word, okay? And get your 10% off your purchase, okay? So yeah, make sure you do that. And like I say, right now it's hot here in Texas. I'm gonna probably be sweating like a wild hog when I when I take this helmet off. But yeah, but I just want to show you what this Ultracool will actually do for your bike. I'm gonna tell you, my 107 got really hot when I was in traffic. So you ever get caught in traffic, and one thing that I like about this, you have an option to run that that adapter all day, and every time you crank the bike up, you can just leave it on there, or you can just wait till you connect it straight to the connector. Where, man, this thing is going exactly where I'm going. I'm trying to get off over here. Look like he might be trying to let me by. Appreciate you, man. You got a chance to run the adapter, and it'll let you see that it will cut on every time you cut the bike on. And I showed you that at the beginning of the video. Every time you turn the ignition on, you got that adapter plugged in, it's going to come right on right then and there before you even crank up your bike. So yeah, so that's a good deal. So you can go both ways. I like to use my adapter when I'm at different rallies, because you know it's a lot of traffic at these motorcycle rallies, a whole lot of it. So yeah, so it's best to put the adapter in right then and there when you get there, and let that boy stay cool the whole time you're at the rally. And that's what I did when I was in Daytona, man, and it was well worth it, man. But woo, cause the traffic was crazy down there, and it was hot getting back and forth through the dealership to the Daytona Speedway, all that stuff, man. So, but let me get off this highway here, and I'm gonna turn the cameras back on when I get on a decent highway. And I'm gonna go over to this Buc-ee's over here. You can't go wrong with Buc-ee's. You know, you stop at Buc-ee's, you're gonna buy something. And I'm gonna check the temperature of the bike over there, and then I'm gonna unplug the adapter, and come back to the house and let you see how hot the bike gets without the Ultracool running at all. Okay? Alright, peace. Man, it seems like every road that I ride on, they working on it with gravel. Man, that's crazy. But I had, like I said, I hadn't rode back here for a little while, so I didn't know that all this construction and road repairs was going on. And we needed some of these road repairs because the rain and just the weather period has, you know, jacked the roads up with the ice and all that. So yeah, man, let's jump on 75 right here. We can get some yonder, but the Buc-ee's is right up here, right up the road here, and it's just a beautiful day out here. Woo! Boy, it's a beautiful day out here. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. bike. Do you hear me? I am loving my old bike. Like I say, I got a 2018 and I'm loving every minute of it. I'm still able to upgrade. I got a few more things coming for the bike that should be here on the 27th. Yeah, I got it should be Friday. Got a couple things that should be here on Friday. So yeah, man, we're gonna stop at this Buc-ee's up here, and your boy might go in there and get a turkey sandwich or something. And we're gonna go back to the house, and we're gonna show you what this temperature is when we get over here. See how hot this bike is getting, cause this 128 gets really hot. And we want to see how much that Ultracool is really helping the bike. Oh, they finally got the Taco Castle open over here. Finally got it open, man. Got some business over here too. Come on, bikers, they gonna get you. Preload, baby. Preload. Head and eyes, baby. Well, this bucket is always packed except for when I get here about 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm going on a trip. But let this daylight be like this. Gonna be like this all day. Boy, they parked all out here, man. Okay, y'all, we got the temperature gun. Now we're gonna see how hot this boy is now. Oh, you see that? That's the real cylinder right there. You see what it is? Let's check the front one. That's the front cylinder right there. The front cylinder a little bit cooler than the rear. That's where you get most of your heat, from the rear. So y'all see how hot this bike gets. And that's with the Ultracool on, just blowing constantly. So let me get somewhere you can see me. Okay. Yeah, you see how the Ultracool it is, man. It still get hot, baby. The bar is still hot. So, but the Ultracool is keeping it cooler. And like I say, it's hot as heck here in Texas. But I'm gonna unplug it now, and we're gonna go to the house, and we're gonna see what it does without the bar plugged up. Period. All right. So we'll get to it after this. Okay, I wanted to show you that I did unplug the adapter. I'm gonna leave that unplugged right there. You can see it's supposed to connect from here to there. I'm not gonna plug that up at all. So I'm not gonna plug that up, and I'm gonna put the adapter in here. And I just want to show you that it's gonna be no fan running. Not one fan is gonna be running at all. So let's get it. All right, y'all, we're gonna head back to the house, and we're gonna get the final temperatures when we get there, okay? So I just want to come on here and let you know that, and just to show you what the Ultracool actually does, man. And keeping this motor cool, you do not want to blow your motor, especially if you don't have a built motor. I mean, anything, if you jumped up from a 107 to a 114, 117 or 119, this bike can keep your bike, this Ultracool can keep your bike cool, y'all. So yeah, we going back to the house, and I'm gonna let y'all see what it is when we get to the house, okay? I'm not gonna keep you in some of this traffic. There's traffic everywhere right now, so yeah. But I'll see y'all in the feet. I love y'all, man. Okay, y'all, I just pulled up. So let's get this off real quick so the bike won't cool real fast or whatever. Let me take this off. So let's see how hot the bike got without the Ultracool running at all. Hold on, let me take you out. All right, y'all, you see that it's still unplugged, and let's run this temperature, y'all. This is on the front cylinder. It went up, y'all, because I think it was like 260, something like that.
So yeah, let's check the back one. Oh, the back one. That is the back one is right there. Yeah, it's hot, man. I can't remember what the back one was. I have to look in the video and see. But yeah, I just want to show you that these boards get really hot. Let's put it right there. Ooh, that horn cover is hot. Good Lord, Jesus. Hey, but you saw that, okay? It did get hotter, so yeah, man. The board get hot, so the Ultracool does its job, and plus we had a little breeze going on here too. Oh man. So show you what you're actually getting from the Ultracool. So yeah, you don't want to blow your motor up or burn it up and get too hot. Get some kind of cooling on that thing. If you got the Ultracool or you got the Harley fan, but I think the Ultracool is a whole lot better because the oil is actually going through that thing to keep it cool. So man, but I'm gonna end this video right here, y'all. It is hot out here. Whoo! Till next time, baby. Till the next grind. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day. And man, I'm finna get me some water. Peace. Love y'all, man.
We roll.